Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School Mahua am here to further provide a revision lecture of unit number 1, that is the world around us, of subject English for the students of class 7th. My dear students, today we are going to revise the glossary, true or false, and choose the correct option of this chapter. So first of all, let's look into the glossary part. Glossary means meanings. So we are going to study the meanings first of all. Components, a part which combines with the other parts to form something bigger. Nutrients, any substance which plant or animal need in order to live and grow. Utensils, that means tools for particular use, especially in the kitchen or house. Habitat, that means survive, to continue to live or exist. Habitat, the natural environment in which an animal or a plant usually lives. Disposal, that means throwing away. Hydroelectricity, that means production of electricity by the force of the fast moving water such as rivers or waterfall. And thermal, that means connected with heat. Now let's see the glossary of activity number 9. Cocoa, that means a tropical tree with the seeds that are used to make chocolate or cocoa to be at risk. That means here it means in danger of being extinct. Threat of extinction. Threat, that means danger of being no longer in existence. Biodiversity, that means the degree of variation of the life forms within a given species, ecosystems, biome or a planet. Interaction, that means having effect on one another. Pollination, that means putting of pollen into a flower or a plant so that it produces seeds. Ecosystem, that means all the plants or the living creatures in a particular area are considered in relation to their physical environment. Organism, that means a living thing, especially the small ones. Now let's see the true or false of this chapter. Water is the basic component of each cell. So the answer is true. Water helps carry nutrients to our cells. So the answer is true. Water keeps us clean and happy. So the answer is false. Swimming, sailing and fishing are the activities of recreation. The answer is true. Almost every water body found on the earth is an important habitat for the plants and animals. So the answer is true. Industrial belts have developed along the river banks because they find rivers cheaper for transportation. So the answer is false. By building dams, thermal power can be produced. So the answer is false. Hydroelectricity can be produced along the river banks. False. Now let's see, choose the correct option. Dash is the basic component for each cell and essential for our existence. So the answer is water. One of the following is not the function of water. The options given here are carry oxygen to our cell, maintaining body temperature at 36.8 degrees Celsius, remove waste materials from our body and increase the immunity system of our body. So the answer here is increase the immunity in our body. Person can survive without water for dash, that means less than a week. The person cannot survive without water for more than a week. To encircle the globe of the earth 180 times the length of the kilometer which is required is 7.1 million. Half of the world's creatures live under water. Almost all the industrial units uses water either, let's see the options, in the production, in the disposal of byproducts, in generating energy, and the last option is both option A and B. The answer is option A and B. Hydroelectricity can be produced by building dams, through thermal power stations, channelizing water, and both A and B. So the answer is both A and B, that is building dams and through thermal power plants. For producing hydroelectricity, we need to put up a thermal plant, power plant, build dams, prepare water bodies, and none of the above. So in order to produce hydroelectricity, we need to build dam. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. As a part of your homework, today I am sharing a PDF file in which the choose the correct option and true or false are given. So you can go through the same and write them once in your fair book. No need to write the glossaries. You can study the same from your notebook, as this glossaries has already been given to you during the regular classes. Thank you and have a nice day.